Hello aspirants, welcome to CSAT FIT in 25 days. Under this course, you will be able to cover your entire CSAT paper in 25 classes. This is day 3. In this class, we will be doing divisibility rules. First, let's understand what does divisibility means. Divisibility see, say 4 is divisible by 2. That means when we divide 4 by 2, we get remainder 0. On the other hand, if we divide 9 by 4, we get remainder 4 2s are 8, remainder 1. So that means 9 is not divisible by 4. 4 की टेबल में 9 नहीं आता. So that is what divisibility means. जो रिमाइंडर 0 आता है तो डिविजिबल है, नहीं आता है तो नॉट डिविजिबल. Now we will understand divisibility rules of each number. Right, one सब नंबर को डिविजिबल करता है. राइट, वन इज एवरी नंबर रिमाइंडर 0 ही आएगा. से 1 9s are 9, रिमाइंडर 0. सिमिलरली 2 किनको करता है 3, किस नंबर्स 3 से डिविजिबल है, किस नंबर्स 4 से डिविजिबल है. All these things we will be studying under divisibility rules. Let's start with divisible by 2. See, divisible by 2. Divisible by 2. कोई भी नंबर उसका लास्ट digit of number is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. All those numbers are divisible by 2. Basically even numbers. See, 3, 7, 5, 6. Yes, last is even number or 6. It is divisible. So we don't need to check कि divisible होता है. Last digit होता है तो divisible होता है. Similarly say 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Again divisible. On the other hand 241 not divisible because last digit में 1 आ रहा है. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 नहीं आ रहा है. Then next is divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. What? Sum of all digits must be multiple of 3. Sum of all digits must be multiple of 3. Multiple of 3. जैसे example 3, 5, 3, 6, 5, 1. 3, 6, 5, 1. Sum of all digits. See, 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. So 15 is multiple of 3. That is 3 into 5 is 15. So this number is divisible by 3. Sum of all is similarly say 2, 3, 4. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. Yes, 9 is multiple of 3. 3 into 3 is 9. So this number is divisible by 3. कितना भी बड़ा नंबर हो तो हमें डिविजिबल करने की जरूरत नहीं है. वी जस्ट चेक सम ऑफ डिजिट्स डिविजिबल बाय 3 और मल्टीपल ऑफ 3 है तो डिविजिबल हो जाता है. नाउ लेट्स चेक फॉर टाइम सेविंग ट्रिक. टाइम सेविंग trick to check a divisibility rule of 3. Here what we need to do is make a pair of 3, 6, 9 and cut them. Let's see. Let's take a number. See whether this number 5, 1, 4, 2, 6, 3, 4, 1, whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. What? Make a pair of 3, 6, 9. See, 5 plus 1 is 6. So 6 के pair में करो, cut करो. Then 4 plus 2 is 6. कट करो, 6 अपने आप में कट करो, 3 अपने आप में कट करो, देन 4 plus 1 is 5. So we are left with 5. क्या 5 multiple of 3 है? नहीं है. So this entire number is not divisible by 3. So this number is not divisible by 3. Let's check another question. See, 4 2 5 1 3 2 3 3 4 3 6 3 5 4 7 2. Let's check whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. See, 4 plus 2 6, cut it. 5 plus 1 6, cut it. 3 cut it. 3 cut it. 3 cut it. See, 4 plus 2 cut it. ऐसा नहीं कि साइड में हो सकता है, कहीं भी हो सकता है, बस हमें 3 6 और 9 के पेयर्स में कट कर सकता है. सी, cut it. 3 6 cut it. See, 5 plus 4 9, cut it. 7 plus 2 9, cut it. 3 cut it. अब बचा कितना? 0. कुछ नहीं बचा, 0. So 0 is what? 0 into 3 is equal to 0. So multiple of 3, 3 into 0. So this entire number is divisible by 3. So we don't need to check, just pairs of 3 6 9 में कट करो. और दूसरा तरीका है कि ऐड करो. अब ऐड करने में भी टाइम लगता है ना. रेदर देन दैट यू कैन पेयर्स में कट करके जो बचा हुआ उनको ऐड करके यू कैन इजीली मेक इट. सो दिस इज द ट्रिक टू चेक divisibility rule of 3. Now let's check divisibility rule of 4. Divisible by 4. Divisible by 4 is last two digits divisible by 4. Last two digits divisible by 4. Say, let's see example. 8728. To check whether the number is divisible by 4 or not, just take last two digits, then divisible it with 28. So 4 7 4s are 28. So remainder is 0. Yes, last two digits are divisible by 4. So this entire number is divisible by 4. Let's take another example. 7961. Whether it is divisible by 4 or not. See, 6 1 last two digits 4. See, 4 1s are 4, 2 1, 4 5s are 20, remainder 1. So not divisible. So this number is not divisible by 4. Simple. Divisible by 4. And then next, divisible by 5. Divisible by 5, that is last digit must be 0 or 5. Last digit must be either 0 or 5. Example, 1990. 1990 is divisible by 5 because last digit is 0. And 1994 not divisible by 5. Similarly, 2 3 4 2 4 4 5 divisible by 5 because the last digit is 5. So last digit 0 होना चाहिए या तो 5 होना चाहिए, otherwise it is not divisible by 5. Then let's check next, divisible by 6. Divisible by 6. These numbers which are divisible by both 2 and 3, then they are divisible by 6. Divisible by 6. अगर 2 and 3 दोनों से divisible है तो वो 6 से भी divisible होगा. ठीक है, हमें 6 से divisible करने की जरूरत नहीं है. हमें पता है divisible of से 138. See, divisible of 2 क्या क्या है? लास्ट डिजिट इवन नंबर होना चाहिए. that is 0 2 4 6 8 उनमें होना चाहिए. So yes, this is divisible by 2. Now divisibility rule of 3 is what? 3 के लिए check करो. See 1 plus 8 9, cut it, 3 cut it, so we are left with 0. 0 is 0 into 3 is equal to 0. So yes, this number is divisible by 3 also. So overall this number is divisible by 6 also, because it is divisible by both 2 and both 3. Then let's take another example. Say 6 4 5 2 6 1 3 6, whether it is divisible by 6. So first check divisible by 2. Yes, 6 है तो it is divisible by 2. 2 से divisible है. Then let's check with 3. See 3 6 cut it, 4 plus 5 9 cut it, 6 cut it, 1 plus 2 3 cut it, 3 cut it, 6 cut it. So 0 है तो divisible by 3 also. Since it is divisible by 2 and 3, it is also divisible by 6. Then let's check one more example, you will get more clarity. See 5 4 6 3 2 6 1 1 4, whether this number is divisible by 6 or not. So first 2 say yes, 2 say divisible है because last digit is 4. Now let's check with, see 5 plus 4 9, cut it, 6 cut it, 3 cut it, then 6 cut it, 1 plus 2 3 cut it, then 4 plus 1 5. So 5 है by 5 is not a multiple of a, so it is not divisible by 3. Since it is not divisible by 2 and 3, 3 से नहीं हो रहा है तो it is also not divisible by 6. दोनों से होना है तभी divisible by 6. Got it? Why it is like that? Because we can write 6 in the form of 2 into 3. ये बाद में समझ में आएगा ऐसा क्यों है. Just wait for some time. Now next is divisible by 7. Divisible by 7. Either we have 2 for small numbers. For small numbers, कम डिजिट वाले नंबर्स, उसके लिए क्या करना है, डबल द यूनिट डिजिट, double the unit digit and subtract 8 from the remaining number. And check whether the remainder is multiple of 7 or not. बस सी मैथ्स में जो भी लिखा आता है उन चीज का कुछ नहीं है, एग्जाम्पल से समझ लो, इजीली समझ में आ जाएगा. एग्जाम्पल सी स्मॉल नंबर से सी 3 5 4 2, क्या करना है, पहले डबल द यूनिट डिजिट. सो यूनिट डिजिट नंबर 2 है उसको डबल करो, सो दैट इज 4 हो जाएगा ये. देन सब्ट्रैक्ट इट फ्रॉम द रिमेनिंग नंबर. सो 3 5 4 माइनस से 4 करो, सो दिस इज 350. Then do it. You can do till you get 2 digit number जहां तक आया. So again यूनिट डिजिट है उसको डबल करो, सो 0 को डबल करोगे वो 0 ही हो जाएगा. सो फिर रिमेनिंग नंबर दैट इज 35. सो 35 माइनस 0, सो दैट इज 35. सो 35 क्या है, 35 इज 7 into 5 is 35. So and check whether the remainder is multiple of 7 or not. Yes, the remainder is multiple of 7. So this number is divisible by 7. Small numbers के लिए तो normally you can check for 3 5 4 2. You can 7 से you can check it. 7 5s are 35. Then 0. Then 4 2. 7 6 are 42. So 0. तो ये याद करने की जरूरत भी नहीं है. But for bigger numbers, you have an important rule that you need to remember. So now let's check that. That is for large numbers. Large numbers are big numbers are numbers with more digits. So for that, what we follow? We follow rule of rule of triplet. Rule of triplet, again very important. Rule of triplet, very important. Rule of triplet क्या है? Say example 239462578, whether this number is divisible by 7 or not. अब 7 से ऐसा करेंगे तो बहुत टाइम लगेगा, तो उसमें क्या करना है? रूल ऑफ ट्रिपलेट. रूल ऑफ ट्रिपलेट इज व्हाट? थ्री नंबर्स का एक ग्रुप ले लो. ये 3 नंबर्स ग्रुप, दिस 3 नंबर्स ग्रुप. ठीक है, ट्रिपलेट 3 का वो ले लिया. देन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दिस साइड, स्टार्ट विथ प्लस, देन इसको माइनस कर लो, इसको फिर प्लस करो. ऑल्टरनेटिवली प्लस माइनस करना है. सो नाउ प्लस वालों को ऐड कर लो. सी 578 प्लस सी प्लस 239. So this is 17, 11 and 8. 8, 17. Then minus 462. अब इसमें से ये माइनस कर दो. So 817 minus 462, that is 5. 11 minus 6 is 5 and 7 minus 4 is 3. 355 बचा है. अब 355 को 7 से डिवाइड करो. So 7 5s are 35 and zeros are 0. So 5 is the remainder. So ये मल्टीपल ऑफ 7 है? नहीं है. So this entire number is not divisible by 7. Not divisible by 7. अब divisible by 7 का कर लेते हैं. Let's take another example. See, that is 541 673 153. In rule of triplet, see 3 numbers starting from this side plus minus plus. अगर और होता तो माइनस आ जाता. ऑल्टरनेटिवली प्लस माइनस स्टार्टिंग विथ प्लस. नाउ यू हैव 153 plus 541, so that is 4 9 649. 649 minus 673, so minus 673 कर लो. So this is 1, this is 2, 0, so that is 21. So 21 is what? 7 into 3 is 21. 7 into 3 is 21. So that is 21. 21 आता है 7 टेबल में. So this entire number is divisible by 7. So that is the rule of triplet, divisibility rule for 7. And ये यूज करेंगे for 7 के लिए भी, 11 के लिए भी and 13 के लिए भी. We can use this rule of triplet. तो तीनों important है, we'll study. Now we are done with the divisibility rule of 7. Now let's do divisibility rule of 8. Divisible by 8. Divisible by 8, that is last 3 digits. Last 3 digits are to be divisible by 8. Divisible by 8. So पूरा चेक करने की जरूरत नहीं है. लास्ट 3 डिजिट चेक करो. अगर लास्ट 3 डिजिट्स आर डिविजिबल, देन इट इज डिविजिबल. दैट इज 256 512. लास्ट 3 डिजिट चेक करो. See, this is 512. So divisible by 8. See, 8 6 are 48 and 3 2. 8 4s are 32. So that is 0 is the remainder. Yes, last 3 digits are divisible. So that means the entire number is divisible by 8. अब इसके लिए एक है. See, for 2, what we are saying, which can be written as 2 to the power 1, we are getting that last one digit has to be 0 or 2, 4 6 8. Then 4 है which is 2 to the power 2. What we are saying, last two digits must be divisible by 4. Divisible by 4. Then for 8 which is 2 to the power 3, we are saying last three digits must be divisible by 8. So there is a pattern. So for 16 which is 2 to the power 4, what? Last four digits to be divisible by 16. Then 32, that is 2 to the power 5, that is last five digits divisible by 32. So on 2 to the power 6 उनके लिए, so on there is a pattern. So from this we got the divisibility rules of 16 and the divisibility rules of 32 also. Divisibility rule of 8 तो आ गया, right? Important pattern है. Similar kind of pattern is also seen with, say, 5, which can be written as 5 to the power 1. That is what? Last one digit divisible by 5 होना चाहिए, that is 0 or 5 होना चाहिए. Then 25 which is 5 square, that is last two digits divisible by 25. Then 5 cube which is 125 is what? Last three digits divisible by 125. Then 5 to the power 4, that is 625 is what? Last four digits divisible by 625. So on. So here also we got a pattern. Question can be asked till 125 का पूछ सकता है, 25 का पूछ सकता है, right? 625 का divisibility rule पूछ सकता है. Questions have been asked in UPSC CDS exams, तो UPSC का उसमें तो है ये. Now let's go for divisibility rule of 9. 8 का देख लिया. Then if a number is divisible by 9, that means what? That is sum of all digits must be multiple of 9. Multiple of 9. Sum of all digits must be multiple of 9. Example, see, 2 1 2 1 2 1. Sum of all digits is, see, 2 plus 1 3, 5 6 8 9. Sum of all digits is 9. Yes, multiple of 9. 9 into 1 is equal to 9. So this number is divisible by 9. Similarly, say 4 5 2 7 3 6 2 9 7. Sum, देखो, see, 4 plus 5 9, 11 11 plus 7 18 18 plus 3 21 21 plus 6 27 27 28 29 29 plus 9 38 38 plus 7 45. 45 is what? 9 into 5, multiple of 9 है. So this entire number is divisible by 9. Same, see, 3 का sum of digits multiple of 3 होना चाहिए. Similarly 9 का sum of digits multiple of 9 होना चाहिए. Simple rule है. Now trick, time saving trick we have for 3 also. So now time saving trick for 9 also, that is make a pair of 9. इसमें 3 और 6 का नहीं बना सकते because 9 का वो है and cancel. ऐड करने से टाइम लग रहा है तो व्हाट वी डू, सो लेट्स टेक दिस नंबर, इसका 4527362997, इसको एक तरीका ऐड कर लो, ऐड करने में भी टाइम लगता है 45 तक काउंट करने में। सिंपल, अनदर सिंपल इज से 9 है, डिलीट 9, डिलीट 9, डिलीट 3 प्लस देन 9 देन 7 9, सो 0 आया, 0 इज मल्टीपल 0 into 9, so 0, so number is divisible by 9. Let's check for another number. Right, 18762342257, and say 8 plus 1 9, 7 plus 2 9, 6 plus 3 9, 4 plus 5 9, 7 plus 2 9, so that is 0, that is 0 into 9 is 0, so again divisibility rule of 9 आ गया. Then next is divisible by 10. ये तो easy है, that is last digit 0 होना चाहिए, जैसे 90, yes 90 divisible by 10, yes because last digit 0, last digit 0 नहीं है, see 91 not divisible by 10. Simple. Now let's check divisibility of 11. Divisible by 11. So divisible by 11, what? For that, sum of odd places digits minus sum of even places digits. Sum of odd places digits minus sum of even places digits must be either 0 or multiple of 11. Either 0 or multiple of 11. Divisible by 11, that is sum of odd places digits minus sum of even places digits must be either 0 or multiple of 11. Example check. Say 5 3 8 5 6. 5 3 8 5 6. See odd places 1 3 5. So that is 5 plus 8 plus 6 इनका sum minus even places, so that is 3 plus 5. So that is what? 19, ये 19 है minus 8, that is 11, which is multiple of 11, that is 1 into 11 is equal to 11. So this entire number is divisible by 11. Then check another example, that is 5048593. Odd places, that is 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 5 14, 14 plus 3 is 17 minus 8, 8 plus 9 is 17 is equal to 0. 0 is again 0 into 11 is 0, so multiple of 0, so either 0 or multiple of 11, so 0 11 table में 0 भी आता है, 11 into 0, so again this number is divisible by 11. So this is again divisibility rule of 11 important है. Divisibility rule of 3 9 11 ये important है, ठीक है 11 हो गया. Then let's check for 12. So that is divisible by 12. Divisible by 12 is, if any number is divisible by 12, it must be divisible by 4 and 3. 4 से भी होना चाहिए divisible और 3 से भी divisible होना चाहिए, then it would be divisible by 12. let's check example. See, 1740. So divisible by 3 is what? इनको add करो. Sum of digits. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 is 4 into 3. So as this is divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. Then divisible by 4. Divisibility rule of 4 is what? Last two digits must be divisible by 4. So 44. So 4 tens are 40. So remainder 0. Yes, divisible by 4. So divisible by 4 and divisible by 3. So it is divisible by 12. Simple. Divisible by 12. If it is divisible by 4 and it is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 12. और क्यों है 4 and 3 से सी 12 can be written as 3 into 4. और सर ऐसा है तो ये भी बोल सकते हैं सर it can be written as 2 into 6 also. Why not 2 and 6? तो वो क्यों है वो बस अभी वेट करो 5 मिनट में डिस्कस करेंगे. यू विल गेट टू नो. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज divisible by 13 or divisibility rule of 13. So divisible by 13. That is again हमने क्या 7 11 13 के लिए रूल ऑफ ट्रिपलेट. सी 11 के लिए वी हैव इजियर रूल. सो 11 के लिए भी यू कैन फॉलो रूल ऑफ ट्रिपलेट. 7 के लिए वी हैव फॉलोड. 13 के लिए भी वी विल फॉलो रूल ऑफ ट्रिपलेट. सो रूल ऑफ ट्रिपलेट. ट्रिपलेट क्या बोलती है भाई? ट्रिपलेट्स पे इकट्ठा करो. लेट्स चेक विथ एग्जांपल. Example is 4 1 3 2 8 3 8 7 5 9 3 8 7. So rule of triplet says ग्रुप्स में 3 3 के ग्रुप्स में 3 3 के ग्रुप्स में 3 3 के ग्रुप में और जो बचता है उसका ग्रुप. नाउ स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर प्लस माइनस इसका प्लस और प्लस वाले सब ऐड करो. 387 प्लस 838 प्लस 4. So that is when you add it, this is say 19 and this is 12 and this is 12. So 1229. Then minus वाले सब ऐड करो. See minus 759 and minus 132. That is 11 9 and 8. That is minus 891. अब दोनों को so 1229 minus 891 करो. So that is 8. Then 12 minus 9 is 3. Then 11 minus 8 is 3. So that is 338. So 338 जो बचा है उसको 13 से करना है. अभी डिविजिबिलिटी रूल ऑफ 13. अगर वही डिविजिबिलिटी रूल ऑफ 7 होता 7 से करोगे. So 338 13. So 13 2s are 26. Then 7 8. So 13 6 are 78. Remainder 0. So this entire number is divisible by 13. Entire number is divisible by 13. So that is rule of triplet, divisibility rule of 13. Now let's check for other numbers. So now we will do divisibility rule of larger numbers, bigger numbers. Say 14 है या 15 है 16 so on. in numbers का divisibility rule. See 14 we can write it as 2 into 7. So if a number is divisible by 2 and 7 then it is divisible by 14 also. अब देखो why we are see now see 12 है. See which we can write it as see 1 into 12 is 12 or we can write it as 2 into 6 is 12 or we can write it as 3 into 4 is 12. But sir why we are only taking this case, not divisibility by 2 and 3 6 और 1 and 12, ठीक है, क्यों? बिकॉज ये दोनों एक टेबल में नहीं आना चाहिए। अब देखो 2 and 6 एक टेबल में आएंगे, 2 टेबल में 6 भी आएगा, 1 and 12 तो भाई वो फिर वही हो गया ना, 1 से तो सारे डिविजिबल है, 12 से वो। सो ये दोनों एक टेबल में नहीं आएगा, तो इसीलिए 3 and 4 ले लेते हैं। सिमिलरली हियर ऑल्सो 2 into 7, 2 and 7 एक टेबल में नहीं आएगा, इसीलिए ये लेते हैं। Similarly 15 is 3 into 5, so if a number is divisible by 3 and divisible by 5, then we can say it is divisible by 15 also. Then 16 का तो we know divisibility rule, 16 is 2 to the power 4, that means last four digits must be divisible by 16, तो 16 से divisible हो जाएगा। 17, again 17 is a prime number, भाई उसका तो कुछ है नहीं divisibility rule। Then 18 we can write it as 2 into 9, और 2 and 9 एक टेबल में नहीं आएगा। So if a number is divisible by 2 and if it is divisible by 9 also, then we can say it is divisible by 18. Then 19 तो prime number है। Then 20 is 2 into 10, it is easy, तो इसका जरूरत नहीं है। Then 21 can be written as 7 into 3. If a number is divisible by 3 and it is divisible by 7 also, we can say divisible. Then 22, so that is 2 into 11, so it is divisible by 2, and if it is divisible by 11, then we can say it is divisible. So like that we can solve. Then important number से 36 है, 36 can be written as 4 into 9. आप बोल सकते हैं सर ये तो 2 into 18 भी लिख सकते हैं, बट 18 2 की टेबल में भी तो आता है, तो इसीलिए ये नहीं ले सकता है। सो जो सेम टेबल में, सो 4 and 9 दे डोंट अकर इन सेम टेबल, सो 4 and 9 से जो डिविजिबल होंगे वो 36 से होंगे। सिमिलरली 44 है, that is 4 into 11 is 44, so divisible by 4 and divisible by 11. Similarly 45, so that is 5 into 9, so divisible by 5 and divisible by 9. 66, 6 into 11, so divisible by 6 and divisible by 11. 77 and important are say 72 and 88 है, उस पे क्वेश्चंस आता है, let's discuss them comprehensively. सेम ऐसे divisible by 72, divisible by 72, that is 72 can be written as, see, 1 into 72, 2 into 36, then 3 into 24, then 8 into 9. अब देखो 3 into 24 नहीं ले सकते, बिकॉज 24 के 3 के टेबल में भी आता है। देन 2 into नहीं ले सकते, 1 into 79 तो लेना है। सो 8 into 9, सो मस्ट बी divisible by 8 and must be divisible by 9 also. So example, say 5 6 3 3 4 2 4. So whether it is divisible by 72 or not. So how to check it? First, divisibility rule of 8. Divisibility rule of 8 is what? 8 is 2 to the power 3. That is last 3 digits divisible by 8 or not. So 4 2 4 8. So 8 5s are 40 and 2 4 8 3s are 24. So remainder 0. Divisible by 8. Then divisible by 9. 9 का चेक कर लो, that is 5 4, 9 के पेज में कैंसिल, 6 3 9 कैंसिल, then 4 to 6, 6 plus 3 9 cancel, so 0, so it is divisible by 9 also. So since it is divisible by 8 also and divisible by 9 also, the number is divisible by 72. Done. Then let's check divisible by 88. Divisible by 88, again it can be written as 88 is 8 into 11, so divisible by 8 and 11. So let's check with example. Example 328411 512. See, divisibility rule of 8. Last three digits. See, 512. 512 is divisible by 8. Let's check. See, 8. 512. 8 6 are 48. 3 2 8 4 are 32. Remainder 0. Yes, divisible by 8. Then divisible by 11. So 11 के लिए क्या है? See, odd numbers plus C, that is 3 plus 8 plus 1 plus 1 minus even numbers, that is 2 plus 4 plus 1 plus 5 plus 2, that is sorry here ये 5 है, ये 2 है odd numbers. So here 1 plus 5 plus 2 ये आ जाएगा, then minus 1 plus 1 ये हो जाएगा. Sorry, let's check. See, odd odd. So that is 3 plus 8 plus 1 plus 5 plus 2 minus 2 plus 4 plus 1 plus 1. 2 plus 4 plus 1 plus 1. This is 19 minus 8. So that is 11. So 11 is multiple of 11. So it is divisible by 11. So since it is divisible by 11 and it is divisible by 8 also, the entire number is divisible by 88 also. So these are divisibility rules. Now let's solve questions based on divisibility rules. First, let's see this question asked in SSC CPO 2019. इस क्वेश्चन से एक बार सारे divisibility rules का प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगा. सी नंबर 30744 is divisible by which one digit number? Which one digit number? See, one digit numbers are what? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. These are one digit numbers. So 1 से तो सब numbers divisible है, so 30744 भी divisible है. See, 2 से, see, since last digit is 4, so 2 से भी divisible है. 3, divisibility rule of 3 is what? Sum कर लो. See, 3 cancel, then 7 plus 4 is 11, 11 plus 4 is 15. So 15 is multiple of 3, 3 into 5. So it is divisible by 3 also. Divisible by 3. Then divisible by 4. 4 is what? Last two digits must be divisible by 4. So 44 is 11 fours are 40. 11 fours are 44. So divisible by 4 also. 5. See, 5 से not divisible because 5 से divisible होना last digit must be 5 or 0. So it is not divisible by 5. Then 6 से क्या है? Divisibility rule of 6 is it has to be divisible by 2 and 3. See, 2 से भी divisible हो रहा है, 3 से भी divisible हो रहा है, so it must be divisible by 6 also. Then divisibility rule of 7. 7 is what? See, small number है 30744 और ये divisibility बड़ा वो भी कर लो. See, plus and minus 744 minus 30 is 417. Then 7 ones are 7, 0 1 4 7 twos are 14, remainder 0. So it is divisible by 7 also. Rule of triplet apply किया. Then divisibility by 8. See, 8 के लिए क्या है? Last three digits must be divisible by 8. So 7 4 4 8 8 nines are 72 and 2 4 8 threes are 24, remainder 0. So it is divisible by 8 also. 9. See, sum 9 nines में break कर लो. Say 10 18. So sum is 18, that is 9 into 2. So divisible by 9 also. So all the other numbers except 5, सिर्फ 5 से divisible नहीं है, बाकी सबसे divisible है. So this is easy question included to practice all the divisibility rules once. Now let's see this question. If the number 687x29 is divisible by 9, then the value of 2x is asked in SSC CGL 2020. See, divisibility rule of 9 is what? sum of the digits must be multiples of 9. See, that is 6 plus 8 plus 7 plus x plus 2 plus 9. See, this is 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 plus 7 is 21. 21 plus 2, 23. 23 plus 9 is 32. So 32 plus x. अब ये होना चाहिए x मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 9 में. सो मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 9 है तो 0 नहीं हो सकता बिकॉज 32 नहीं है. 1 नहीं हो सकता, इट विल बी 33. 2 नहीं हो सकता, दैट इज 34. 4 सॉरी 3 नहीं हो सकता बिकॉज इट वुड बी 35. 4s it would be 36 हो जाएगा. sum of digits which is multiple of 9. 9 into 4. so value of x we got it, that is because by 5 भी नहीं हो सकता because not multiple. 37 हो जाएगा. 6 38, 7 39, 8 49, 41, 10. तो भाई x is a single digit number, so double digit number हो ही नहीं सकता. so x is, so we got value of x. X is 4. We need value of 2x, that is 2 into 4 is 8. 8 is the value of 2x. Option A is the answer. Okay, divisibility rule of 9 is important. Now let's see next question. So this is question asked in CSAT paper 2020. How many integers are there between 1 and 100 which have 4 as a digit but not divisible by 4? Say 1 to 100. See 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 so on till 100 तक कितने इंटीजर्स है which has 4? See 4 कहाँ है? 4 में है. then 14 में 4 है. then 24 34 then 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 then 50 54 64 74 84 94. इसमें then not divisible by 4. see 4 is divisible by 4, हमें not divisible चाहिए. so 4 is divisible by 4. अब देखो 14 is not divisible by 4. 24 6 4 6 are 24, so it is divisible. then 34 is not divisible. then 4 10s are 40. 40 is divisible. 41 is not divisible. 42 not divisible. 43 not divisible. 44 divisible. 45 not divisible. 46 not divisible. 47 not divisible. 48 is divisible. 49 not divisible. then 54 52 is divisible. 54 is not divisible. 64 60 24 yes is divisible. See 64 4 1s are 4, so 2 4 6 are 24, remainder 0, so divisible. 74 is not divisible because it would be 3. 34 not divisible. 84 yes divisible. 94 is not divisible. so how many are there? Not divisible, sorry, not divisible we need, right? so not divisible are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. so 12 option C is the correct answer. ये तो काफी इजी क्वेश्चन है. Now let's see next question. See, this is question asked in CSAT paper 2019. An 8-digit number 42576 leaves remainder 0 when divided by 3. Remainder 0 when divided by 3 means this number is divisible by 3. How many values of B are possible? See, if this number is divisible by 3, that means what? Sum of the digits must be multiples of 3. So that is 4 plus 2 plus 5 plus 2 plus 7 plus 4 plus 6 plus B. Sum of digits. See 4 plus 6, 11, 13, 20, 24, 30, 30 plus B. 30 plus B. Now, how many values of B are possible? See, B can be 0 because अगर B 0 है तो 30 plus B 0 that would be 30. So 30 is multiple of 3. Then B cannot be 1 क्योंकि सम 31 होता, नॉट डिविजिबल. 2 नहीं हो सकता. एंड b कैन बी 3. यस, बिकॉज देन सम वुड बी 33. देन 4 नहीं हो सकता, 34 नॉट डिविजिबल. 5 नहीं हो सकता, 6 हो सकता है, बिकॉज दैट वुड बी 36 विच इज मल्टीपल ऑफ 3. देन 7 नहीं हो सकता, 8 नहीं हो सकता, 9 हो सकता है बिकॉज 39 विच इज मल्टीपल ऑफ 3. सो वैल्यूज, हाउ मेनी वैल्यूज ऑफ बी आर पॉसिबल? 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many values of b are possible? That is 4 values of b are possible. Again, अच्छा क्वेश्चन है, सिंपल कॉन्सेप्ट है बट कॉन्सेप्चुअल क्वेश्चन है. नाउ लेट्स सी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. See, this is question asked in CSAT paper 2019. A number 136 is added to 5b7 and the sum obtained is 7a3. See, 136 is added to 5b7 and the sum obtained is, see, 33 and b, see, it is a here and it is 7 here. So 7 means here एक तो कैरी हुआ, ये कैरी हुआ ना, तभी इधर 7 आ सकता है. 5 + 1 6 हो जाता, 7. सो दैट मीन्स वैल्यू ऑफ b हैज टू बी, b कैनॉट बी 0 नहीं हो सकता बिकॉज तब कैरी नहीं होगा. 2 नहीं, 1 नहीं हो सकता. And so let's see where a and b are integers. It is given that 7ab is exactly divisible by 3. And अब देखो, 7ab is exactly divisible by 3. That means 7 plus a plus 3, that is 10 plus a. So means see, ये 0 नहीं हो सकता because sum हमें multiple of 3 चाहिए. Then 1 नहीं हो सकता because 11 है. 2 हो सकता है, a can be 2. And a cannot be 3 because 13. A cannot be 4, but a can be 5. Then a cannot be 6. A cannot be 7. A can be 8. And a cannot be 9. So possible values of a are, a can be 2, 5, 8. A can be 2 or 5 or 8. अब देखो b, let's see. b 1 नहीं हो सकता बिकॉज कैरी नहीं होगा. सी हियर वी गॉट 4 ऑलरेडी. कैरी होना है तो वी नीड एटलीस्ट, सी 2 नहीं हो सकता बिकॉज 4 + 6 तो कम से कम होना चाहिए. अगर सी 3 नहीं हो सकता बिकॉज 4 + 3 7. 4 नहीं हो सकता, 4 + 8. देन 5 नहीं हो सकता, 4 + 5 9. 6 नहीं हो सकता, 6 हो सकता है बिकॉज 4 10 आ जाएगा, बट ये कैनॉट बी 0. भाई 6 आ जाएगा इधर, 0 हो जाएगा ना, बट ये कैन बी 2. सो 6 भी नहीं हो सकता. देन 7, 7, सी अगर b7 है दैट वुड बी 1 10 11. सो 11 बट वो नहीं हो सकता. सो 7 भी नहीं हो सकता. 8, 8 है तो यस, b कैन बी 8 बिकॉज अगर 8 आ गया तो 1 ये 2 आ जाएगा. 7 2 3, 7 2 3 इज पॉसिबल. 9 नहीं हो सकता बिकॉज देन इट वुड बी 13. सो बट ये कैनॉट बी 3 नहीं हो सकता. सो वी गॉट वैल्यू ऑफ b दैट इज 8. सो व्हाट इज द ओनली पॉसिबल वैल्यू ऑफ b इज, दैट इज 8 is the only possible value of b. Again, question is very good question, conceptual question. We need to know divisibility rule of 3 to get this. Now let's see next question. See, this is question asked in CSAT paper 2021. Number 37 so on 3798125p 369 is divisible by 7. Divisible by 7. What is the value of the digit p? See, divisible by 7. Ab divisibility rule of 7 is what? Rule of triplet. So triplet, so see 379 8125 p 369. See, starting from here, then this one, then this one, then this one. See, this is plus minus plus minus. So plus, this is 369,981 प्लस किया तो दिस इज 0, 6 8 plus 6 14, 14 plus 1 15, then 9 plus 1 10, 1350, 1350 आ गया. सो माइनस वाले सी माइनस 25p माइनस 37, सी माइनस 25p है, इसको ऐसा लिख सकते हैं ना, माइनस 250 प्लस p. ठीक है, तो इसको माइनस 250 minus 37, see this is 7 8 2, see minus 287, minus 287 plus p, और माइनस से तो माइनस p आ जाएगा, minus 287 minus p. अब इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है 1350 से, सो 1350 माइनस 287 माइनस पी तो बाद में भी निकाल सकते हैं. सो इट वुड बी सी 10 3, then 14 minus 8 is 6, then 0 1063 minus p. So 1063 minus p. अब 1063 minus ऑप्शन वेरिफिकेशन करो. See 1063 अगर p if we take it as 1, so it would be 1062, then divided by 7. See 7 ones are 7, 3 6 7 5s are 35, 1 2, so 7 ones are 7, so that is 5. So remainder नहीं आ रहा है. So then 1063 minus 6 करो, so that would be 1057 हो जाएगा, 1057, then divided by 7, 7 ones are 7, 3 5 7 5s are 35, then 7 7 ones are 7, so 151, remainder 0. Yes, p is equal to 6, बस उसमें 0 आ रहा है. ऑप्शन वेरिफिकेशन से we can easily do it. बस सेम डिविजिबिलिटी रूल ऑफ 7 का पूछा है, बट थोड़ा ट्रिकी, दैट इज p दिया हुआ है. अगर यही क्वेश्चन ये होता है कि भाई नंबर p की जगह 6 दिया होता, if number is divisible by 6 or not, you would have easily done. So same, you need to know divisibility rule of 7, you can solve this question. Now let's see next. See, this is question asked in CSAT paper 2023. For this we need to know important concept है, question ही concept है. See, for any choices of values x, y and z, the 6-digit number xyz is divisible by, see, any number of the form say abc abc, or say 1 2 3 1 2 3, ये नंबर है. this number is divisible by 7, 11, 13. क्यों? अब देखो इसमें क्या हो रहा है, ट्रिपलेट रूल प्लस माइनस. अब 123 प्लस माइनस 123, दैट इज 0. सो 0 आते ही भाई 7 के टेबल में 7 into 0 is 0, 11 into 0 is 0. सो ट्रिपलेट रूल ऑफ triplet is applicable to 7, 11 and 13. So not only ABC or any number in the form of ABC, 4 sets of ABC. जैसे मान ले नंबर आ गया 4 2 3 4 2 3 4 2 3 4 2 3, it would be divisible by 7, 11, 13. Why? Because देखो ट्रिपलेट करो, ये प्लस सॉरी माइनस प्लस माइनस भाई नेगेटिव 0 हो जाएगा. सो 0 है तो ये आज के 7, 11, 13 से डिविजिबल होगा. सो एनी नंबर ऑफ द फॉर्म xyz. अब इसमें ये इक्वल भी हो सकता है, जैसे मान ले 1 1 1 1 1 1, ये भी डिविजिबल बाई प्लस ये माइनस 0 हो जाएगा. सो नंबर्स xyz कैन बी इक्वल, सो तब भी ये कैन बी डिविजिबल बाई 7, 11 and 13 से भी divisible. So 6-digit number of the form XYZ or ABC or 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 2 1 4 2 1 are divisible by 7 11 and 13 और उनका मल्टीपल्स का उनका एलसीएम सी 7 into 11 into 13 that is 1001 इससे भी डिविजिबल होगा. So 7 11 13 and 1001 उस 1001 से भी डिविजिबल होता है. See again, so concept है, concept is directly asked as a question. Now let's see next. अब देखो एक और क्वेश्चन सेम कॉन्सेप्ट में पूछा हुआ है इन सीसैट पेपर 2023. ये नंबर n is formed by writing 9 for 99 times. What is the remainder if n is divided by 13? अगर 13 से डिवाइड किया तो रिमाइंडर क्या होगा? सी क्वेश्चन क्या है? A number n is formed, so n is formed by writing 9 99 times. So 9999 so on 999 हमने लिखा कितने टाइम्स? 99 टाइम्स. अब देखो सेम नंबर देन डिवाइडेड बाय 13 से तो क्या रिमाइंडर आएगा? अब देखो डिविजिबिलिटी रूल ऑफ 13 व्हाट? रूल ऑफ ट्रिपलेट. रूल ऑफ ट्रिपलेट. सो रूल ऑफ ट्रिपलेट इधर अप्लाई करो. सी 99 9 से सी फर्स्ट 9s को प्लस करेंगे, ठीक है. देन 999 ये माइनस हो जाएगा. देन 999 ये प्लस हो जाएगा. देन 999 ये माइनस हो जाएगा. ऐसा हमें 6 सेट ऑफ 9s कट होते जाएगा. 6 सेट ऑफ 9s कट होते जाएगा. बट टोटल हमें 99 9s को काटना है. सो 99 डिवाइडेड बाय 6 करेंगे. सो 6 1s are 6 3 9 6 6s are 36 सो 3. सो लास्ट में हमें 3 9s और बचेगा. सी ऐसा प्लस माइनस ऐसा सारे 9s कट जाएंगे. कटने के बाद लास्ट में 3 9s बचेगा. अब वो 3 9s we need to divide it by 13. So 13 9 that's what divisibility rule of 13, right? So जो see XYZ फॉर्म में जो भी है 6 पेयर्स को काट दिया, डिवाइडेड बाय 6 कर दिया. इसीलिए बिकॉज 96 9 से वो कट हो जाएंगे, वो कैंसिल आउट हो जाएंगे 6 पेयर्स में. लास्ट में 3 9s बचेगा. अब 3 9s को we need to divide it by 13. So 13 7s are 91, then 8 9, then 13 6 are 78. So this is 1 and this is 1. So that is 11. So what is the remainder if n is divided by 19? So remainder is 11 is the remainder. 11 is the remainder. Again काफी अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. तो इसकी जगह 9 की जगह 5s भी हो सकता है, ठीक है. और 99 9s की जगह 95 9s भी हो सकता है. अगर 95 9 है तो फिर कितने बचेगा? तो वो सब भी देखना है. अगेन काफी अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. नाउ लेट्स सी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. See, this is question asked in SSC exam 2022. Let's see this question. If the 6-digit number 57ZXY is divisible by each of 7 11 13, then x minus 2y plus z is. देखो 6 डिजिट नंबर डिविजिबल बाई इन 3 नंबर से डिविजिबल हो रहा है. इसका मतलब क्या है? दैट नंबर इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ XYZ फॉर्म और ABC फॉर्म. दैट मीन्स सी 5 7 ZXY 8. सो जो Z हो जाएगा वो 8 हो जाएगा एंड X हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा 5 हो जाएगा एंड Y हो जाएगा 7. सो दैट इज 7 5 7 8 5 7 8. क्योंकि जो तीनों से डिविजिबल होगा वो नंबर किस फॉर्म में होगा? XYZ फॉर्म में होगा. 6 डिजिट नंबर है तो. सो 5 7 8 5 7 8. सो नाउ वी गॉट Z इज इक्वल टू 8, X इज इक्वल टू 5 and Y is equal to 7. So we need 5 minus 2 into 7 plus Z is 8. So that is 5 minus 14 plus 8. So 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 minus 14 is -1. So -1 is the answer. -1 option A is the answer. So ये काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है. If any number 6 digit number divisible by 7, 11 and 13, so then it number is in the form of XYZ, XYZ or ABC, ABC form में. Now let's see next. See how many, again now we have come to different type of questions. How many numbers between 300 and 700 are divisible by 5, 6 and 8? Divisible by 5, 6 and 8 वाला वो है. See, any number is divisible by 5, 6 and 8, it means you will take LCM of 5, 6, 8. So that is, say 2, 5, 2 3s are and 2 4s are. And further, there is no commonality. So 5 into 2 is 10, 10 into 3 is 30, 30 into 4 is 120. So 120 is the LCM of these numbers. So अब जो भी 120 का मल्टीपल्स है वो सब, so say 120. See how many numbers divisible by all these three, इनका LCM would be divisible. So 120 is divisible, then 120 का multiple 240 is divisible by all these numbers 5, 6 and 8. Then 240 plus 120, that is 360 is divisible. Then 480 is divisible by all these numbers. Then 600 is divisible by all these numbers. Then 720 is divisible by all these numbers. हमें पूछा भाई 300 और 700 के बीच में. So 1, 2, 3. So how many numbers are there? There are 3 numbers, that is 360, 480 and 600 are the numbers divisible by 5, 6 and 8. So how many are there? 3 numbers are there. So कोई भी नंबर की भाई मान ले कि numbers which are divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, क्या है इनका LCM ले लो. See that is 2, 1, 1, 3, 2, 5. Then LCM would be 5 into 2 10, 10 into 3 30, 30 into 2 is 60. So 60 का मल्टीपल्स जो भी है वो 1 से भी डिविजिबल होगा, 2 से भी डिविजिबल होगा, 3 से भी डिविजिबल होगा, 4 से भी डिविजिबल होगा, 5 से भी डिविजिबल होगा. So 60 जैसे 120, 180, 240 so on. So सारे नंबर से डिविजिबल है तो उन नंबर्स का LCM करो एंड उस नंबर्स का मल्टीपल्स वुड बी डिविजिबल बाय ऑल द नंबर्स. दिस इज द कॉन्सेप्ट. नाउ लेट्स सी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सी the greatest number of 4 digit which is divisible by all these numbers. So greatest of 4 digit number, 4 digit number है divisible by all these numbers. So LCM of 15, 25, 40, 75. So see 5 3s are 5 5s are 5 8s are 40 and 5 10s are 50, 50. Then 25 is 15. So 5 15s are. Then 5 1 sorry 3 1 8 and 5 3s are 15. Then 3 1 1 8 1. So this is 5 5s are 25, 25 into 3. 25 into 3 is 75, 75 into 8 is 600. So LCM is 600 और 600 का जितने भी मल्टीपल्स है वो सब डिविजिबल होंगे. अब ग्रेटेस्ट 4 डिजिट नंबर, ग्रेटेस्ट 4 डिजिट नंबर विच इज मल्टीपल ऑफ 600. सो देख लो इसमें 600 से डिवाइड कर लो, जो रिमाइंडर 0 आएगा वो डिविजिबल बाई वो इनमें से 9800 डिवाइडेड बाई 600. 600 ones are 600. So 0 8 380 0. So 6 are 36 3600. So we are left with 200 as the remainder. So this is not the greatest number which is divisible by all these numbers. Then 9600 करो, हमें greatest चाहिए. So 600. So ones are 600, 360 0, 6 3600. So remainder is 0. Yes. So 9600 अब किसी भी नंबर से इस नंबर से डिविजिबल कर सकता है, रिमाइंडर 0 आएगा. सो 9600 इज द आंसर. यूपीएससी पूछा हुआ इस तरीके का क्वेश्चंस. लेट्स सॉल्व दोस क्वेश्चंस. सी इधर क्या, व्हाट इज द लीस्ट 4 डिजिट नंबर व्हेन डिवाइडेड बाय 2 4 5 and 6 लीव्स ए रिमाइंडर 2 इन ईच केस, लीव्स ए रिमाइंडर 2 इन ईच केस। अब देखो एलसीएम ले लो 3, 4, 5 एंड 6। सी 3 1s are 4, 5, 3 2s are 10, 2, 1, 2, 5, 1. So 5 into 2 is 10, 10 into 2 is 20, 20 into 3 is 60. So 60 is the LCM. So 60 का जितने भी मल्टीपल्स है वो डिवाइड करेंगे, बट हाँ वी नीड लीव्स ए रिमाइंडर 2 इन ईच केस। अब देखो सो 60 डिवाइड बाई लीस्ट नंबर चाहिए ना, इट लीस्ट 4 डिजिट नंबर, सो स्मॉल 1 0 1 2 कर लो। सो 1s are 60, 1s are 60, so here it is 41, 4 1 2, so 4 1 2, 6 6 are 6 7, 6 6 are 36, are 42, 6 6 are 36, 360, so 2 and 1 5, so 52 is the remainder। so हमें रिमाइंडर 2 चाहिए ईच केस, जब रिमाइंडर 2 आएगा वो लेट्स चेक। सो 60 1 0 2 2, ऑप्शन बी चेक कर रहा है। सो 1s are 60, so 42, so 2, so 6 7s are 420, yes रिमाइंडर 2। अब 1022 इज द आंसर, लीस्ट नंबर चाहिए। अब देखो लेट्स चेक, सी अगर 1022, let's divide it 3, so 3 3s are 9, 1 2 3 4s are 12 and 2 is the remainder here। so हमेशा किसी भी नंबर पे इस पे वो कर लो, रिमाइंडर 2 आएगा। so take LCM then divide LCM उस नंबर से जो रिमाइंडर है वो आएगा तो वो ही आंसर होगा। so 1002 is the least 4 digit number which leaves remainder in all these cases। let's do one more question, ये यूपीएससी का फेवरेट रहा है। ये से again 2022 में पूछा, what is the smallest number greater than 1000 that when divided by any of the numbers leaves remainder 3? same 6 9 12 15 18, LCM करो। see 3 3 2s are 3 3s are 3 4s are 3 5s are and 3 6 are, then 2 1s are 3 2 2s are 5 and 2 3s are, then 3 1 1 2 5 1, so 2 into 5 is 10, 2 into 5 is 10, 10 into 3 is 30, 30 into 2 is 60, 60 into 3 is 180, 180। now 180, so 180 से डिवाइड करो, हमें रिमाइंडर 3 चाहिए। so smallest number, so smallest first check with 1063, so 180 into 5, 180 into 5 is 900, so 900, so you get remainder of 163, so ये नहीं है, option A is not the answer। then 1073, again 180 into 5, 900, so that is 173, so it is not the answer। 1083, 180, so into 6, that is 1080, 180 into 6 is 1080, so remainder 3, so remainder 3 ये आंसर है। हमें स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर चाहिए। अब अगेन 1183 रिमाइंडर 1080, सो रिमाइंडर 103 आएगा, सो ये भी नहीं है। सो विच लीव्स रिमाइंडर, सो सिंपल एलसीएम करो, एलसीएम जो आता है वो ऑप्शन वेरिफिकेशन कर लो, जो इनका 3 रिमाइंडर आता है वो सबका रिमाइंडर वो हो जाएगा। नाउ लेट्स सी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Now let's see this question asked in CSAT paper 2025. A 4-digit number n is such that when divided by 3 5 6 9 leaves a remainder 1 3 4 7 respectively. See, this is next level of question. That is, when divided by 3 we are getting remainder 1, when divided by 5 we are getting remainder 3, when divided by 6 we are getting remainder 4, when divided by 9 we are getting remainder 7। अब देखा जाए तो here there is common difference, 3 minus 1 is 2, 5 minus 3 is 2, 6 minus 4 is 2, 9 minus 7 is 2, so this is common difference based different remainders type of question। अब इसमें भी क्या है, बस वी विल टेक एलसीएम. 3 5 6 9 का एलसीएम. सो 3 1s are 5, 2 3 3s are, see 5 into 2 is 10, 10 into 3 30, 30 into 3 is 90 is the LCM. 90 is the LCM. We need 4-digit numbers such that when divided leaves respectively the smallest value of n is. Smallest value of n. See now what we need? See 90 ka multiple. See 90 into 10 is 900. Then 90 into 11 is 990. Then 90 into 12 is 990 plus 90, that is 1080. When 1080 divide by 90 we get remainder 0. But हमें ये common difference है, ये उनसे minus करना है, we will get our answer. So 1080 minus 2. So you need multiple of ये, then common remainder को minus करो, you will get the answer. 1078 is the answer. Minus करना है, common remainder को minus करना है from the multiple of ये. See here, ये multiples नहीं है, multiples minus 2, you will get the answer. Now let's do one more question, you will get more. See. Now let's see this question asked in UPSC CDS 2024. Let n be a 5-digit number. When n is divided by 6, 12, 15, it leaves remainder 2, 8, 11, 20 as remainders respectively. What is the greatest value of n? See, when divided by 16 leaves remainder 2, divided by 12 leaves remainder 8, 15 remainder 11, 24 remainder 20. See, common difference is 4, 4, 4, 4 is a common difference. So 6, 12, 15, 24 का LCM. Let's take, see, 3 2s are, 3 6s are 15 and 3 8s are 24. Then 2 1s are 1s are, sorry, A4, 3 4s are, right? So 2 2s are, then 15 and 2 4s are. Then 2 1, sorry, 1 2 1s are 2, then 15 and 2. So sorry, see here 5, right? 3 5s are, right? So 5s are, so 5, so 1, so 5 into 2 is 10, 10 into 2 is 20, 20 into 2 is 40, 40 into 3 is 120 is the LCM. 120 is the LCM. Now we need what is the greatest value of n. Now 120 ka multiple we need -4. 120 का multiple -4 has to be the answer. Say. Now अब देखो, ये तो नहीं हो सकता, ठीक है, ये तो नहीं हो सकता because -4, see 0 है लास्ट में. See we need multiple of the number -4. ये common difference minus भी तो करना है. So -4, so ये दोनों नहीं हो सकता. Now see, अब common ये भी कर सकता है. See greatest 5-digit number 9999 divided by 120. So 120 8s are 960, then 399, then 3s are 120, 3s are 360, 399, 3s are 360, 39. So you can do 99999 minus 39. So this is 0, 6, 999, then -4. A common difference minus करना है ना. So that you will get 99956. So 99956 is the answer. So if you want, you can check. So 120 divided by 99956. Sorry, 60. It would be multiple. See, 9 8s are 960, So this is 396. So this is 3s are 360. This is 360. 3s are 360. So remainder 0. So 99960 minus 4 would be the answer. So option B is the answer. इनमें यही करना है एलसीएम एलसीएम का मल्टीपल -4 यू विल नीड टू सो सिम अगर ऑप्शंस भी है तो इनको +4 ऐड करके 120 से डिवाइड कर लो जो होता है वो आंसर है नाउ लेट्स सी नेक्स्ट सी नाउ अदर टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन सी अगेन दिस काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस सीसैट में भी पूछा एसएससी सीजीएल सीडीएस इस सब में आ रहा है सी 2 to the power 25 2 to the power 26 is divisible by. See, you can take 2 to the power 25 common from here. So then it would be 2 to the power 0 plus, see 2 to the power 26 से common लिया तो it would be 2 to the power 1 plus 2 to the power 2. See 2 to the power 25, 1 plus 2 plus 4, 2 to the power 25, the power 7. So it will be divisible by 7. It will be divisible by 7. See, मान ले you will be studying in the next chapter also by into 7 divided by 7 you will get remainder 0 इस पे ठीक है इस पे कुछ भी आ जाए तो remainder 0 ही रहेगा you will be studying in remainder topic so ये जो नंबर है इससे and it will be divisible by 2 also और 2 into 2 4 से भी divisible होता है then into 2 8 से भी divisible होता है so जो भी इनका multiples आता है उनसे divisible होता है so now let's do next question you will get more clarity see here again asked in UPSC CDS 2022 so 4 to the power 61 common ले लेते हैं इसमें से so 4 to the power 0 plus 4 to the power 61 plus 4 to the power 2 plus 4 to the power 3 so 4 to the power 61 1 plus 4 plus 16 plus 64 so this is 4 to the power 61 so 64 this is 85 so this will be divisible by 85 or ये भी 4 to the power 61 85 you can write it see because options में नहीं है so options we need either 9 or 7 or 11 or 17 so 85 can be written as 17 into 5 so it will be divisible by 17 also अगर 5 होता तो 5 से भी divisible होता 17 से भी divisible होता then 4 से भी होता then 4 into 4 16 से भी होता उस हिसाब से बट 7 11 9 से नहीं होता सो इसको ऐसा भी ब्रेक करके ऐसा आ सकता है नाउ लेट्स डू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन सी दिस इज अगेन क्वेश्चन आस्क्ड इन यूपीएससी सीडीएस 2022 देखो सी 27 to the power 5 plus 3 to the power 13 is divisible by see 27 can be written as 3 to the power 3 so this is what 3 to the power 3 to the power 5 plus 3 to the power 13 see this is what a to the power m to the power n is nothing but a to the power m into n so this is 3 to the power 3 into 5 plus 3 to the power 13 so this is what 3 to the power 15 plus 3 to the power 13 so इसमें 3 to the power 13 common ले लो so there you will be left with 3 to the power 2 here plus 3 to the power 0 here so 3 to the power 13 3 to the power 2 is 9 plus 1 so it will be 3 to the power 13 10 so it will be divisible by 10 now let's see next this is question asked in CSAT paper 2023 say again 32 to the power 5 plus 2 to the power 27 32 is what 2 to the power 5 to the power 5 plus 2 to the power 27 so this is 2 to the power 5 into 5 plus 2 to the power 27 2 to the power 25 plus 2 to the power 27 so that is 2 to the power 25 2 to the power 0 plus 2 to the power 2 that is 2 to the power 25 1 plus 2 to the power 2 that is 4 that is 2 to the power 25 into 5 so अब ऑप्शन में है ही नहीं 5 see it can be written as see 2 to the power 24 into 2 to the power 1 into 5 then this is 2 to the power 24 into 10 लिख सकते हैं. So it will be divisible by 10. Option C is the answer. So with this, we are done with this class. The divisibility rules. We have done all types of questions. Basics सब समझ में आ गया. So we can solve any kind of questions using that basic knowledge from the divisibility rules. See you in the next class. Bye.